Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech and travel tips. Today, we're taking a look at Orange's travel website, found at https://travel.orange.com/SRSLTID=AFM-BUVIMA-LSWFX-NDT3 This platform offers a gateway to explore a world of travel possibilities, connecting you with various services and resources to plan your perfect trip. While the specific details of the website's features and offerings aren't available just from the URL, we can discuss the potential benefits of using a consolidated travel platform like this one. A central hub for travel planning, such as Orange's travel site, likely provides access to a range of services, potentially including booking flights, accommodations, and rental cars. It could also offer travel insurance options, destination guides, and even curated travel packages. The convenience of having these resources accessible in one place streamlines the planning process, saving you time and effort. Using a platform associated with a major telecommunications company like Orange might also offer unique advantages. These could include bundled travel and communication packages, special roaming deals for international travel, or even access to exclusive travel deals and discounts. It's always a good idea to explore these possibilities when considering your travel arrangements. The provided URL includes a tracking parameter, indicating that Orange is likely monitoring user engagement and traffic sources to optimize their platform and marketing efforts. This is common practice and allows companies to improve user experience and tailor their services. For travelers, a website like Orange's travel platform can be a valuable tool. The ability to compare prices, explore different options, and manage all aspects of a trip in a single location can simplify the often complex process of travel planning. It's definitely worth checking out https://travel.orange.com/question mark SRSLTID=AFM-BUVIMA-LSWFX-NDT3 to see what it has to offer for your next adventure. Remember to subscribe to Rome Tech for more insights on travel tech and other helpful tips.